Hi, Fisher Honda back with you again with Tyler and Justin, my lead tech here. We're going to go over wiper insert replacement. The nice thing about Hondas is you don't have to always buy a full wiper blade. So be sure that you only replace the wiper inserts when you're not wiping correctly on the windshield and it's leading to behind, okay? Justin, take it away.
All right, wiper inserts. Flip your wiper arm up. There's a tab. You want to push that tab in, then you can slide your wiper off. Now make sure you leave this up. If it comes slamming down, you can crack your windshield. It's happened a few times. You're going to find the loose end, slide it back, pull it out, and then slide it out. Now this is a new car, so we're just going to pop this one back in. Now, on the wiper inserts, you will see that there is a tab. You want to put that tab in last. So what you will do is start here, and it just slides in. Find the open spot, get it started, and just walk it in. Get to the end, push it in, slide it to the edge. And that's it. Now this has a tab here that you can slide in. As you can see, it'll match this. Pull it down, grab it, pull it until you hear it click. Let it down lightly, do it to the other side. Also on the rear of the vehicle as well, you can replace wiper inserts, CRVs, HRVs, Pilots, Odysseys, Civic hatchbacks, etc. Now some of these are different. This is the newer style wiper insert. There is the older Honda ones have two metal bars that you just take out, put in the new one and slide it in, same basic principle. So that's how you change your wiper inserts.
All right, great job. I appreciate you. Well done. Looking forward to visiting with you all again on future items. We're going to keep feeding you with great material, great video on various things on your vehicle. So until then, bye-bye. Take care.